Good morning, Bearable traders. My name is Arif, and I just wanted to share with you my trading recap to conclude my first week trading live. Before I do, a little bit about myself. I reside in Australia, so therefore the stock market opens for me at 12:30 a.m. So therefore I normally trade 2-minute opening range breakouts, 5-minute opening range breakouts, and ABCD patterns within normally the first hour of the market open. And I've been a member of the Bearable Traders community for 2 years now, a bit over 2 years, and I had 9 months practice in sim. So okay, I'll get into it now. So I took AMD for a short as a 5-minute opening range breakout. So the first 5 minutes makes this range, and on a pullback to VWAP, it bounces off of VWAP. You can see this more clearly in the 2-minute. Bounce off VWAP, I decided to go short at the previous day close, and my stop loss was above the VWAP. It was about a 10-cent risk. I took some partials at 1-to-1, some quick partials after a pop, and the rest was 20% at 2-to-1. These were bigger partials. These are the 50% partials at my 2-to-1. So I decided to get out a little bit more when it shows sign of strength, which was a break of the lower lows and lower highs pattern. So you can see it was making lower highs and lower lows, and as soon as it broke that pattern, I decided to cover a little bit more. But what made me stay in it a bit longer was looking at the volume. So you can see the volume. There's more volume in the selling, so you can see in the first 2 candles there's selling, more volume, and on a pullback, less volume than the first 2 candles, and then that continues. You can see the selling here had a loss of volume, and then the pullback, the buying, less volume. So this was kind of showing that the buyers were there weren't many buyers essentially, and so yeah, I decided to hold and bounce off the moving average. You can see, and started to go down again, and I covered some more. These were 20%, just at the same level as at the low of the day, and then finally I got out the rest on the moving average on the 15, and you can see it was a similar level on the 60. So I decided to get out there because it looked to me too extended from the VWAP. It did end up making a bit of a lower move, but essentially I got my 2-to-1, so I'm happy. And yeah, just wanted to end it there. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for listening.